Stock number 6178 has just landed. Check out this unbelievably beautiful image. This is a very special car. It's a brand new Hijet Jumbo 4-wheel drive. Look at this thing. I'm fizzing and buzzing today. Thanks for watching this video. My name's Phil Lee. Let me introduce myself. Hello. This is exciting for me because it's a brand new car. It's done. Well, it hasn't. It's brand new. Look at this. Check out the odometer. Fluffy's sniffing it. He told me it's got the new car smell. 24 kilometers. And it had 0 when we bought it. So that's shuffling it around to get it to the port, get it on the ship, get it transported to us. So it's done 24 kilometers. And it's a brand new Hijet. And it's not just any Hijet. It's a top spec. And we've had a lift kit fitted to it in Japan, all professionally done. So it looks tough. Brand new Maxxis Bravo all-terrains have been popped on with off-road wheels. This is an awesome truck, and it's a lot of fun to drive. This will go highway speeds. It's road registerable in any state in Australia, and it's a proper high and low range 4-wheel drive system with rear diff lock, so you can take this where you can't take heavier 4-wheel drives. This will go where a Land Cruiser cannot go because it's so light. And they get along nicely because of the lightness as well. The 660cc motor is ample power. It gets the job done. It's got a 350 kilo payload, and it's just tough. This one's got what's called Samurai pick, a few little options. So it's got this scratch proof sort of soft touch bed liner in it. It's painted on. Mud flaps. You can have a look under the back here. Lift kit. Only appropriate suspension and shock upgrades. It's just a pretty little truck that drives really well. The Jumbo means big guys and girls can fit in, and there's ample room for large people. And I mean, if you're really tall or if you're a large human being, whatever your large dimension will be, this will fit you. And you can also put a little bit of stuff inside the car, safe and secure, whether it's luggage or equipment or an esky, whatever you like. Had a few people use these and turn them into campers, believe it or not, or off-road getaway machines. I've met one bloke who's taken it right up to the top end of Australia. He had a little camper set up on the back here. This plastic is on there from new, so this seat has never seen a human butt. I like that. Power steering, air conditioning, fit your own stereo, whatever you want there. That's your high low range knob. That's your rear diff lock and 4-wheel drive. Buttons here. Fluffy, the sales manager. Hello Fluff, high five. Good boy. Okay, he wants to go catch a stick. He's saying, finish the video, Dad. All right. Don't know what else to say about this. Don't get your head stuck there, Fluff. So it's got a high roof. It's got the extra cab. It's done 24 kilometers. It's a brand new Hijet. You can see here the fascia shows it's the top of the range model. So it's got the chrome fascia, the driving lights, the electric window. You can buy a Povo pack one of these, which is also a cool car, the simplicity of it. But this is the top of the range with all those little extra features that you get. Obviously, not a mark or a scratch. It's all pristine. That's it. If you want a brand new Hijet, Freedom machine. These are awesome on farms, in the snowfields. We sold one to a cemetery, one to a school, one to a church. Another bloke does his gardening out of the back, landscape gardener. We've had a few builders buy these. They're just a very strong and versatile vehicle. Obviously, very cheap fuel costs. That's it, I'm raving too much. This one will suit a fussy buyer because you can't pick on anything, it's brand new. I'll end the video on that note. If you're watching this video from interstate, call us for an interstate transport quote. It costs a lot less than what you might think. Anywhere in Australia, you can send this car, even offshore if you like. The number is 02 97440539. Ending the video. Phil Lee, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye bye.